Omo.
Wake up. Still by sleeping.
She's sleeping already.
Alright.
I want to take a stroll. I want to take a walk. So I don't know if you can just come. Let's do it together. Why is your face like this?
I don't understand. Are you trying to say I'm fat?
When did I say that now? Okay, please rest. Let me go alone.
Wait. I'm not lazy, Abby. No, you are trying to tell me that I'm lazy. I'm lazy. I can't take a stroll. I can't take a walk with you. I'm lazy. No problem.
Why are you talking nonsense now? Why do you like saying nonsense most of the times?
I'm saying nonsense, Abby. No. I'm not a liar, then. I'm not saying nonsense. Okay.
Okay. Just relax. Rest. Let me just go alone. I'm sorry.
Oh, you want to go and meet them outside? You want to go and meet your girlfriend them outside? It will not work.
Why are you getting upset now? Why?
If I start now, they'll say I've started. If I start, they'll say I'm started. You are calling me a fighter now?
Yeah!
No. I'm a fighter now. I'm a fighter.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Mima.
Supposed to be here of this.
You're calling me ma. You're calling me ma. Okay. Because I've given birth, Abby. Because I have a baby for you. Because I'm not your baby mama. You're not calling me ma. No more sweet words like sugar, like honey, like my pinot. No problem.
So what do you now want? What do you want?
Buy me shawarma and 2 cold stone ice cream for me and Silver.
Continue.
There you can now go.
Eh?
Don't just say what is in your mind. I'll not get fat.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.